everybody.
How do you know?
Because look, it's recording. See.
Okay.
This is Thomas and Mummy, and we're gonna be playing a game together, huh, Mum?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Doink.
Explain about the game.
Oh, this is one of my own made games. I've made a game by myself, and it rocks, I think. Okay. Yeah, ow! Oh, I died. Jump, 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 jump. Should I show them my secret level right now?
Absolutely.
Okay, maybe I should show it at the end of the video. I don't know. Boop, 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 boop. This looks like I'm the stick man from FNAF. When you think about it.
What is that?
Oh, it's another game. Boop, bop, boop. Oh, they saw a bit of my secret level. Jump! And... Oh my god. It's about precision.
About what?
Precision, not speed. Precision. I can't even say. I can't even make this jump. Come on. I can't make this jump. No! Yeah. Give me that checkpoint. Jump, jump, big bump. I place a lot of coins on this level, come on.
Yeah.
Whee. Oh wait, it's like Mario going down this hole. Maybe one of the secret levels to enter it, you need to go like down a pipe like Mario.
How do you get new lives? Or you don't?
You don't.
Okay.
You have to restart, or you have to die and go back to the next checkpoint. Oh no!
Oh.
Just as I was saying it.
Never mind.
Always my booty. I turned red. Racist. Ow! What is the shoot for, huh, Mum? There's like no bad guys or anything to shoot. Huh, Mum?
Yep.
Maybe
Ow.
when you get upgraded, you get a lot of like things to shoot.
Maybe.
Give me that money, honey. Huh, Mum?
Yep.
Oh, another checkpoint. When did I put 2 checkpoints on this level?
Sort of a magic game.
Yeah. Wait, what is it? It's called, or it won't let me show me. I was gonna say to the people watching this video, you need to buy this game. Ah!
Never mind.
Luckily, I spawned right next to it. Jump. I wonder. Oh no, I only made like 2 secret levels. I'm on the water. Okay, now that I've gotten to the end, jump. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the start and show them the secret level, huh, Mum?
Yep.
Secret! Can you guess why I called it the wave? Yeah, it's supposed to go and just water comes out and burn my head. That's it's like, I'm on fire. This is like Sonic, come on, you're walking on the water and Sonic. Because those like, oh, I forgot, you can like double jump on the water. So it's like I think I was gonna double. Ow! Ow! Oh, I hit the checkpoint. Wait, what? I hit the checkpoint just as I died. Owies! Wait, got it.
And where are you back at the start now?
Oh no, I think I'm still in the secret level. Oh, this is so scary. I've literally got 1 heart. Okay, there's the top end. Oh! I think I finished it, actually.
I think you did too.
Ooh. Well, bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. Say bye, Mum.
Bye.
And see y'all later.